95% of the startups fail because they waste a lot of time in hiring people. But companies like Netflix, Shopify, or YC startups use this top secret to hire fast. And that's what I'll tell you in this video. If you're a buyer or a freelancer, it will help you a lot. So make sure you watch the video till the end. My name is Kushal Vijay. I'm a software engineer too at Microsoft. I've worked with startups before and scaled multiple applications in the past. I've also represented or hired people for my previous startups. And I'm telling you, we wasted months on bad hires until I discovered this amazing platform like Fiverr. And if you're a buyer or a freelancer, you need to know how you can get an edge over the others in your domain. Let's get started with this video. Hiring in general for any company or for any buyer is very expensive. And when it comes to agencies, when they give contract to agencies, they charge a huge amount of money for some basic work also. And if you talk about freelancing platforms like Upwork, the bidding mechanism is a nightmare for any buyer, for any company. But when it comes to Fiverr, it provides an edge over the others because it has pre-vetted freelancers, clear pricing, and niche skills like AI chatbot development or blockchain smart contract development. Now, these are very specific niches. If a buyer or a company is looking for it, they can directly jump onto that freelancer and get them hired. On Fiverr, you also have a hidden edge using the AI services category to find freelancers who can automate workflows, analyze data, and build custom tools. For instance, a founder needed a Shopify store and a ChatGPT powered customer service bot. Fiverr's search filter let him hire the expert in 1 hour and deliver the project in 3 days, which is insane. Since the last 1 year, be it big tech companies or startups, AI is actually at the driving seat, and it is one of the reasons for driving the layoffs in all these small businesses or big tech companies. Layoffs have become so common in these companies that they have started looking for freelancers or contractual workers so that they don't have to bear the cost of severance pay. These companies or buyers or businesses prefer remote work because obviously it is cost efficient and they can hire any good freelancers sitting in the US from Bangalore in just few clicks. And that's why I'm continuously saying in my previous videos also that this is a great opportunity for remote workers and freelancers because every small business, big business, and even big tech companies are looking for you. Now, if you're a freelancer or a buyer or a small business, this is how you can hire the top 1% of the freelancer or how you can become in the top 1% of the freelancers. The first step is you have to nail down the description you're providing to hire the freelancers. Need a website is a very bad description. Build a Shopify store with AI product recommendation and one-click checkout specifically attracts experts who can give you or deliver you the appropriate results. Step 2, use the Fiverr's AI search, type e-commerce developer with ChatGPT experience and then filter with stars rating and the review ratings on the platform. And as a freelancer, you should put on your profile the before and after result of the previous projects that you have done. For buyers, if they have represented the results in their portfolio, that's where you know they could be a potential candidate. Now, the last step is about the payments. On Fiverr, you can set up milestones for payments where you will be stress-free and there will be no scams until unless the freelancer delivers the particular milestone. You do not release the funds, and that's why you will be saved from any such scam and you will be stress-free during the whole process of building the project. This is as good for freelancers also because they get money at equal intervals or equal intervals of time or milestones when they complete or deliver the project. Now, the most important part, what are the red flags as a buyer you should avoid in the freelancers, or what are the red flags you should not have as a freelancer if you're working on platforms like Fiverr? First is you don't have any reviews on your platform, and still the freelancer is asking for a paid gig. That's a clear no. Second is vague gig descriptions. They will deliver vague things and you have to skip those. If you're a freelancer, you should provide the proper descriptions. And if you're a buyer, you should also nail down or provide the right description to attract the right experts. If the freelancer is providing too cheap of a service, that is too good to be true and you should ignore it because they will deliver crap only. So this is it for the video. I hope you have enjoyed and I have tried to add some value around how you can be the best freelancer or how you can be the best buyer on Fiverr platform. You can check out the platform, use these services by the link mentioned in the description. If you have any doubt, make sure to comment down and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.